Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's talk nail polish. It's everywhere. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene beaches of Bali, nail polish has become a universal language of style and self-expression. From the runways of Paris to your local supermarket checkout line, nail polish is having a moment. And not just any moment, but a vibrant, glittering, and dazzling moment that transcends cultures and age groups. Or, let's be honest, it's always having a moment. Whether it's a classic French manicure or the latest holographic trend, nail polish has a timeless appeal. Why is nail polish so popular? It's more than just a beauty product. It's a form of art and a statement of individuality. Well, it's a quick and easy way to add a pop of color to your look. Imagine transforming your entire outfit with just a few strokes of a brush. It's like magic at your fingertips. It's like makeup for your fingers, but way less messy than that smoky eye you tried last weekend. And let's not forget the endless possibilities. Glitter, matte, metallic, neon. The choices are as limitless as your imagination. Seriously, who hasn't gotten mascara on their eyelid while trying to be fancy? Nail polish, on the other hand, offers a more controlled and forgiving way to experiment with your look. With nail polish, you can rock a bold red or a subtle nude without breaking a sweat. It's versatile enough for any occasion, whether you're heading to a business meeting or a night out with friends. It's a small detail that can make a big difference, kind of like remembering to wear pants to a job interview. And let's be real, who doesn't love a little extra confidence boost from a fresh manicure? So next time you're looking to elevate your style, don't underestimate the power of nail polish. It's more than just a beauty accessory. It's a celebration of creativity and self-expression. Okay, so nail polish is fun, but did you know it can actually be good for you? I'm not saying it's going to cure the common cold or anything, but a good coat of polish can help protect your nails from everyday wear and tear. Think of it like a little shield against chips and breaks. Plus, let's be real, when your nails look good, you feel good. It's a confidence booster in a bottle. And who couldn't use a little more confidence in their lives? I know I could. Walking down the nail polish aisle can be overwhelming. It's like a rainbow exploded in there, and glitter is involved. So many choices. Do you go for classic creme, trendy gel, edgy matte, or full-on sparkle with glitter? Let me break it down for you. Gel polish is like the Beyoncé of nail polish. It lasts forever, has amazing shine, and requires a special lamp to cure. Matte polish is like the cool kid in school. It's understated, chic, and doesn't need a top coat. Glitter polish? Well, glitter polish is like that friend who always steals the show. Section 4. Real-world polish picks, from drugstore to designer. You don't need to spend a fortune to get great nail polish. Drugstore brands have really upped their game lately. Looking for a classic red? Maybelline's Red Revival is a winner. Feeling something bolder? Essie's Butler. Please is a navy blue that screams sophistication. And for those times when you need maximum sparkle, OPI's Rainbow Connection will have you shining brighter than a disco ball. Of course, if you're feeling fancy, there's always the world of high-end nail polish. Think Chanel, Dior, and Tom Ford. Section 5. Nail polish humor, because we all need a laugh. Let's dive into the colorful world of nail polish, where every shade tells a story, and every chip is a mini drama. What's the difference between a good nail day and a bad nail day? Well, let me tell you, it's like night and day. On a good day, you can't chip a nail if you tried. Your nails are invincible, shining like little shields of perfection. On a bad day, you chip a nail opening a bag of chips. Yes, even the simplest tasks become nail-bitingly dangerous. It's a cruel, cruel world. But we soldier on, because the quest for perfect nails never ends. Why did the nail polish go to the party alone? This one's a classic, because it couldn't find anyone to match. The struggle of finding the perfect match is real, even for nail polish. Okay, I know, my jokes are bad. But sometimes, a little humor is all we need to brighten up our day. But hey, at least they're not as bad as trying to take off glitter polish without acetone. Now that's a real challenge. That's a special kind of torture. It's like the glitter has a mind of its own, clinging on for dear life. But despite all the challenges, we keep coming back to our beloved nail polish. Because at the end of the day, those little bottles of color bring us joy. So here's to all the nail polish lovers out there. Keep laughing, keep painting, and keep shining. Section 6. Drying time blues. UV light and fans to the rescue. We've all been there. You spend time meticulously painting your nails, making sure each stroke is perfect. You've just finished painting your nails and you're feeling like $1,000,000. The color is vibrant, the finish is smooth, and you can't wait to show them off. Then you reach for your phone or your keys, or worse, you need the bathroom, and bam, smudged polish. It's a nightmare we've all experienced. But fear not, my friends. There's no need to sit around helplessly, waiting for your nails to dry. There are ways to speed up the drying process. Enter the magical world of UV lamps and portable fans. UV lamps and portable fans are game changers in the nail care world. They can drastically cut down the drying time, making your life so much easier. UV lamps work by using ultraviolet light to cure the polish, just like they do at the salon. This process hardens the polish quickly, giving you a durable finish. It's like a mini tanning bed for your nails, but without the harmful UV rays. The light is specifically designed to be safe for your skin, while effectively curing your polish. Portable fans, on the other hand, work by creating a gentle breeze that helps to evaporate the solvents in the polish faster. This method is perfect for those who prefer a more natural drying process. Think of it like a cool summer breeze for your fingertips. The gentle airflow not only speeds up drying, but also feels refreshing. So next time you're in a rush or just can't wait to show off your new manicure, remember that UV lamps and portable fans are your best friends. They make the drying process quick and hassle-free, ensuring your nails look flawless every time. Say goodbye to smudged nails and hello to a perfect, long-lasting manicure. With these tools, you can enjoy beautifully dried nails in no time. Happy painting! Section 7. Keep shining. Your nail journey starts here. So there you have it, folks. The wonderful world of nail polish, from the basics to the brilliant. Remember, whether you prefer a classic red, a trendy gel mani, or a full-on glitter explosion, there's a nail polish out there for you. And if you're looking for UV lamps, portable fans, or any other nail care essentials, be sure to check out our online store. We've got everything you need to keep those nails shining bright. Keep shining, my friends.